कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. तो आज मैं क्रिएट करने वाली हूँ एक ईद स्पेशल मेकअप लुक. So as you can see, I have created a very beautiful pink glittery eye makeup look. So yes, let us start the video. So I'll start by applying my primer. For that I am using the Inside Cosmetics primer. It is an oil-free primer. So I'll concentrate it more around my nose because I have really large pores around that area. So now I'll be starting with my base makeup. For that I will be mixing up two foundations. One is the Lakme's 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation and the other is the Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation. The details and the links of the products will be given on my description box, so do not forget to check that. To ensure uniform application, I am applying it in the form of dots. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. It is in the shade 25 Medium. Now I will contour my face using the NY Base contour stick. For nose, I'm using a small flat brush. Make sure you blend it properly or else it will really look odd. To give my nose a nice shape, I will be taking some concealer with the flat brush again. Blend everything really well. So this way your nose gets a really thinner look. Now I will conceal my eyelids and also I will define my eyebrows. Now I will set my face using the Blue Heavens setting powder. It is in the shade Natural. For blush, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty's blush plus highlighter plus contour palette. I really like the pigment and the color of the blush from this palette and I'm obsessed with it. For highlighter, I am using the Urban Choice highlighter. This is in the shade 04. Now I will fill up my brows using the Music Flowers gel eyeliner in the shade brown. Now I will brush up my brows using the Blue Heavens brow pencil. It will evenly spread the brow gel. Now I'll be starting with my eye makeup. At first I will be taking this very nudish shade for my crease as a transition color. For this I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Jawbreaker palette. So now I will take this very vibrant pink color on my outer V and inner corners. For this I am using the Beauty Glazed palette. So now I'll conceal my middle lid because I'll be using a glittery shade, so it will show up really well. From the Beauty Glaze palette itself, I'll be taking this glittery shade which has a hint of blue color. So I'll be using it on my middle lid. Be careful, do not take a lot of glitter because it will overpower the other shades. Now I will take the pink shade again with a fluffy brush and I will just blend the edges properly so that it doesn't leaves any harsh edges, and I'm also gliding it over my glittery shade so that it gives a hint of pink as well. So due to some reason I lost the clip where I was applying my liner and kajal. For the upper line I am using the Lakme's Insta liner, and for the lower lash line I am using the Maybelline's Colossal Kajal. Now using some pink shade I will just blur out the kajal on my lower lids. For mascara I am using the Nykaa's Lash curling mascara. So I have put on my lashes. Now I will be applying my lipstick. For my lips I am using the Maybelline's creamy matte lipstick in the shade Touch Up Spice. So yeah guys, this is my final look. So this was the video guys, and this is my final look. I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.